Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be kind of an update slash, mainly just an update video. So guys, in this video I'm just going to be explaining to you guys that having some issues on the channel when it comes to views and YouTube, stuff like that. I've made videos like this in the past, but the main gist of this video is going to be that YouTube's kind of screwing me over in the sense that they're just not putting out my videos to my subs. I don't know if it's my subscribers or I'm not uploading the proper content that you guys enjoy, but I'm trying to do my best. Summer's now here, so I'm trying to pump out as many videos as possible, trying to grind, trying to make the best content I can for you guys, because that's overall the goal here that I want. So this video is just going to be kind of a ramble, problems I'm having with the channel. Also, I'm using Sony Vegas currently to edit my videos. I'm learning it, getting better every day, editing and stuff. It's a really good program. Might do a tutorial on it in the future, but as you can see, Fortnite gameplay, it's a little. I did some color correction, so that looks a little more saturated, a little better. So, guys, main issue I'm having with my channel right now is the inability to get my videos out to you guys. YouTube seems to just not want to push my videos out. And it seems like the only views I can get right now are from search results if I use some good SEO strategies, if you know what I'm saying. Get my videos to pop up in search, because that's basically like 99% of all my views come from search. Not many come from recommended. That's like less than probably like 1% come from recommended. And then like a tiny proportion come from subscriber views. So I don't know if that's because YouTube just doesn't want to, or doesn't think that you guys enjoy my content and that's why they're not putting it out for you. I don't know what the issue is, but I keep trying to upload the best quality content I can for you guys. And it's really difficult when I'm sitting here working on videos and I have 9K subs and I only get like 30 views on a video. Like my video yesterday, that took a decent amount of effort to film and stuff and edit. I was learning Sony Vegas at the time, and it's just so frustrating how YouTube just decides not to push out my content to you guys, because I know you guys love my channel and I get comments all the time saying people love my videos and stuff, and they just don't see them. So I don't know what the issue is, and I'm trying to fix this as quick as possible. So the main solution I have is to basically ask you guys for help on this situation. I can't do it without you guys. I can't succeed without you guys. You guys are what's incentivizing me to make better content and stuff, and I want to grow with you guys. I want to make better stuff. Hopefully one day end up big YouTuber, if that's possible. Hopefully reach 100,000 subs, get that YouTube plaque, you know what I'm saying. Currently in 9K, so making some headway, you know what I'm saying. So with that being said, I need your guys' help in the fact that for those who don't watch my videos, which is like a large proportion of my subscribers, honestly, having that large subscriber number and those low views is not good. It may seem like, oh, 9K subs is great, but when I'm only getting 30 views on a video, is it that great? Because it kind of distorts the whole appearance of my channel, if you know what I'm saying. Like, if I had 100 subscribers and I was getting 30 views, that would look good, because that's like a 30% sub to view ratio or something like that. And that's what you want. You want a large number of views in comparison to your subscribers. And when you're not getting that, it makes your channel look bad. So I would rather have like 3K subs and getting this amount of views rather than 9K. It kind of looks bad on my part. Kind of makes it look like my subscribers don't really care about my content, when I know a lot of you do. So if you guys are a subscriber, this is what I want you to do. I want you to turn on notifications and follow me on social media, because that is the best way to know when I upload. I'm going to be starting to be more proactive on Instagram and Twitter, stuff like that, which I'm hoping will lead to some success and stuff. So I need also, if you guys want to become a member of the channel, that's also an option, which is nice. That membership down below, you get certain perks and stuff. I think it's like you get exclusive content. I can do that. You also get like stickers when it comes to like live chat and stuff if I live stream. So you get some perks from doing that. I'm not saying you have to, but becoming a member would help me out. I also sell merch, and there's not many ways to monetize my channel other than that. I've tried looking into like different ways to monetize my YouTube, because it takes a lot of time and effort to run a YouTube channel, and you need some sort of income to keep it going. I'm not money hungry or anything, but it would be a lot more helpful if you guys did support me in some way. Because right now, my channel is on the lower point of views. January to March, I was growing at a much faster rate. Now it's kind of plateaued. Views have been down and stuff. So I'm not here to beg. I'm just telling you there are options for you, for the true fans out there, to support me. And the last thing I want to say, other than like you guys turning on notifications and hitting that bell icon, that's the best way for you to know when I upload, is video suggestions, guys. If you want me to make a video, just send me a message on Discord, send me a message on Twitter. There's easy ways to contact me. If you want to be friends with me on Xbox, I'll be friends with you on Xbox. There's easy ways to contact me on social media. I reply to a decent amount of people if you message me. Twitter is pretty good for messaging, to be honest. I like using Twitter messaging. Instagram too. And yeah, if you want to just give me a video suggestion, you say, hey, Life Made Easy, I'd like it if you were make this kind of video or this kind of tutorial, I'm all for it. It has to be practical. It can't be something stupid, but yeah, I'm all for it. If you guys, I'll make anything you guys want, to be honest. Because then you're going to watch it, obviously, if you suggested it. And maybe more people are interested in that kind of topic. Because honestly, I'm kind of guessing right now what you guys want to watch, and it's kind of difficult. So if you guys sit here and just give me suggestions all the time, I'm happy to make videos on those suggestions. Always happy to. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm just asking for your help overall on the channel. Comments, feedback, memberships, I don't know, stuff. Turning on notifications so you guys know when I upload. Just overall helping the channel grow. I know you guys want to see the channel grow. I want to see the channel grow. So obviously it comes down to you watching my videos. If no one watches my videos, then the channel's not going to grow. YouTube's not going to push out my videos, and it's going to be an endless cycle of misery and failure. So obviously every YouTuber has their plateaus. I'm kind of having one right now. So I'm trying to do my best uploading quality content for you guys. So yeah, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, guys, help support me in any way. Everything helps. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button. Likes also help, guys. Yeah, likes help push it up in the search results and recommended and stuff like that. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate every one of my subscribers, all 9K of you, even though a bunch of you don't watch me. Honestly, if you guys are subscribed to me and you don't watch anything, just honestly unsubscribe, because that's not really helping me at all. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, anything you want. Even dislike this video if you want. Doesn't matter. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.